In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart chips and building blocks in Google Docs. Imagine transforming your Google Docs into a more dynamic workspace where interactivity meets efficiency. Whether you're collaborating on a team project or organizing your personal notes, these tools can be incredibly useful. To get started, open your Google Docs and begin typing the @ symbol. This simple action will unlock a list of smart chips and building blocks for you to choose from. But you might be wondering, what exactly are smart chips? Smart chips are interactive elements designed to enhance your document, allowing you to seamlessly integrate information like dates, dropdowns, notes, and even meeting agendas directly into your text. By using smart chips, you can create an interactive layer that will make your documents not only more dynamic, but also more organized and visually appealing. Let's dive deeper into some of these features. By selecting a date chip, you can easily include important deadlines or event dates, ensuring that you and your collaborators are always on the same page. It's perfect for keeping track of project milestones or key dates without needing to switch between tabs or applications. The drop-down option is another powerful feature. With it, you can create structured lists that streamline information, a fantastic tool for simplifying choices or categorizing data in a clear, orderly fashion. But that's not all. You can also add notes or meeting notes. This feature is particularly useful for collaborative environments where keeping detailed, accessible records can enhance communication and efficiency. Whether you're jotting down reminders or sharing meeting insights, these notes help maintain the flow of information without cluttering up the main content of your document. Another exciting feature is the Email Draft Smart Chip, which allows you to keep a draft of an email within your document. This is especially handy if you're collaborating on email content and need to keep feedback and revisions in one convenient place. It saves time and helps prevent misunderstandings by keeping everything contextual. And let's not forget about project trackers. Adding a project tracker into your Google Docs provides a high-level overview of tasks and timelines, making it easy to manage responsibilities and monitor progress. Harnessing the power of building blocks and smart chips transforms a simple document into a robust tool for collaboration and productivity. Once you're comfortable using these features, you'll find your workflow becoming more streamlined and efficient. And that's how to use smart chips and building blocks in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.